Good day everyone! In this video, you will learn how to solve arithmetic involving the operation of addition in an easiest, fastest, and most accurate way using the Vedic mathematics technique, Ekadikena Verbena, which is translated in English as one more than the previous one. How to use the Vedic math technique, Ekadikena Verbena in addition. When you add two or more numbers and their sum is greater than or equal to 10, we apply the rule. The number on the left side will be represented as a dot, also called as ekadikadat, and put it to the left or top side of the last number added, while the number on the right side will be continue adding with the next number. Need to consider, a dot is equal to 1. To clearly understand how to apply the technique in adding numbers, I will give you an example. Adding one-digit numbers in columns. Add 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4. Using the Ekadikena Verbena in adding the given numbers, Step 1. Write the given numbers in rows and columns by giving some spaces between the digits, like this. Step 2. Add the first two digits from the top or bottom. It is not necessary where you start of adding. But for this example, we started at the top. The top digits are 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Step 3. Start again adding 9 with the next number, which is 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Since 17 is greater than 10, we started the rule over here. In the sum 17, let 1 is equal to that, and 7 is the number we add to the next number. Step 4. Mark ekadikadat on the left side of the last number added, which is 8. Then start again adding 7 with the next number, which is 9. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Remember the rule. Since 16 is greater than 10, in the sum 16, let 1 is equal to that, and 6 is the number we add to the next number. Let's proceed to the step 5. Mark ekadikadat on the left side of the last number added, which is 9. Then start again adding 6 to the next number, which is 6. Six plus 6 is equal to 12. Remember the rule. Since 12 is greater than 10, in the sum 12, let 1 is equal to that, and 2 is the number we add to the next number. Mark ekadikadat on the left side of the last number added, which is 6. Then start again adding 2 to the next number, which is 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Write 6 at the answer's place. Remember that a dot is equal to 1. In the example, start again adding dots. There are 3 dots. Write 3 at the answer's place. Thus, the final answer for adding 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 would be 36. I hope you have learned the technique for solving arithmetic involving the operation of addition. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and let us learn together to solve arithmetic problems in an easiest, fastest, and most accurate way. Thank you!